flash flood warning for the following county: Orange, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Bond Burn Scar in northeastern Orange County in southwestern California until 12:30 p.m. At 11:01 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over the Bond Burn Scar. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 0.75 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the White Canyon, Wildcat Canyon, Williams Canyon, and Majestic Canyon. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding in and around the Bond Burn Scar. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Bond Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Irvine, Silverado, Foothill Ranch, and Limestone Canyon Regional Park.
I guess I just... your cell to anyone.
Well, you're not just anyone. You're Riley Adams. And around here, that means something.
Thank you.
Gotta get back in there. Time to kick some booty. You want to come in and say hey?
No, it's okay. Can I actually talk to Aaliyah for a minute?
Sure.
Yeah.
Doing a lot more.
Flash flood warning for the following county: Orange, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for central Orange County in southwestern California until 1:45 p.m. At 10:36 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Irvine, Tustin, Laguna Beach, Newport Beach, Aliso Viejo, Laguna Woods, San Joaquin Hills, Newport Coast, Laguna Hills, and Crystal Cove State Park.
Well, I think she's done drinking. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on, Grace. Doing okay?
Yeah. So, who's her owner?
My uncle. He owns Grace, and Dusty, and a dozen other horses here. It's too much for my Uncle Bill to deal with. That's why he hired Goff as a full-time caretaker.
Weird. I'd be here all the time if I had a place like this.
Well, they got into horses for their daughter, my cousin, and it kind of spun out of control. She rides, but she's really not that into it. Actually, she's more of a dancer.
Really? Well, what's her name? Maybe I know her.
Well, here's another funny one for you. She has the same last name as you.
Aaliyah?
Riley?
Aaliyah.
Casey, what? How?
Wait, you guys know each other?
This is beyond ironic.
Hey, you know what? You should hang around. You should watch her. She's doing great.
That's okay. I actually have to be somewhere.